106.3 FM. Emerese medi Fabɛwɔso medi bravo. Ehwa seda yemfama DBS roofing sheet. And I say Franco Trading Enterprise. Omadan Roma. As always, me shasia, me kayo. Na me kai Ghana fo nyina enken kani amayofo. One, very important, that the sovereignty of Ghana resides in we, the people of Ghana. Am I able to see? Enti anamon bia ye betuo. Sa wa bam, sa wunia bam. Nyensa odwene ho kane. Eye Ghana fo na meka Ghana fo a enye omo amanyam ho amtwi V8 no. Enye omo a watu ne tai ato ne yefuru so ate air condition se every make say. Ah yes have ni tea. Anya sa afo no. Meka Ghana fo a me kire ma me no ahamachi wo sori no miensa mpam. Enam sumwa begina kwan ho. Wo ten trotro. Edi akodom. Akotontos. Me chamba mu anu a sesi ai ya locked atutu schools munti ade achi ni ma me ahyehyɛ pia watade asi na pampam se won konkoton me chamba me no wasɔre afiti bofrot na wachie edisi kwanchen ma me no wɔtɔ wache no Ghana fo America no me chere kuani a wonam nsuom enam wuram saa kon wuram akwafuom womani Ghana for no. But I believe say it's high time as I say you turn crofobia bo. I believe say it's high time as I say you turn crofobia bo. Na metreo yari en friend coronavirus and it better than COVID-19. Abusia say e wan say yari no say kwa enkoi ayehu and nobody can tell me say spread calm not fear ya tra ho ebranu ani say spread calm no ya tra ho. It's getting scary by the day. Ayehu papa na pam betumi buase na me de wa hyase free baby ya na e bewie no me bie phone lines a wo so do adwen sebe bre me Ghana nkete ya baby sanka yanim yare bi kura enkaja HIV defo ya na ye ne tinka krakra ya ne ntambo ne bia ni ho onya ba ku bia na wache no ene wana monto ahwe ohusu yi a na AC na akofa sensen kom enu mpo no bibia nkoka papa enye twerede wandi uhuni empamu agro ho a wo bia wo ye dwamanfo wodi machi a ena sanka enka HIV no enka chiwo yani AC ya na tie ene ye cholera ne ye malaria ya ina ka ye tie kama boni bia ni entam. Last year December, in Wuhan, China, we recorded first case COVID-19 coronavirus. Now you tell me, oh, China dear, say enyandu Ghana ha. China dear we che enyandu Ghana ha. Yamwa ya ho, yamwa ya ho, yamfani yamngwa kwanso, yamwa ya ho, na yetim. Ase we chinama. Ase yariana we chinama. Kakran yatete ho sa. 12 March afie ya 12 March. And the first 2 cases sometime Ghana ha. Hey. COVID-19 aba Ghana ha. 12 March, and you record the first 2 cases. First 2 cases about Yamaya Hombine. And then, yeah, the cheap pim. Abai, a friend, now. And kakran. So Abai ever declare lockdown. And po. In Shema Hudwa a course, and son finally, His Excellency the President, ever catch Ghana for. So from 30th of March, you declare partial lockdown. And Tema Kaswana Kumasi. Lockdown Nimusam Bebre. Lockdown Nimusam Bebre. And a lockdown, a day near bedye, and a crab and never first walk Juma, and a Sawun Nimua. Yadia Baye, let me tell you. Nipa dudu ama fenwa ashiri wa majuma. Because of COVID-19, nipa ashiri wa majuma. Ngasa mketwa. Nipa ashiri wa majuma COVID-19 insano. It's no joke. A teacher for hospitality industry, mommy ajuma hotels and restaurants near the ade. Even in the media space. Yeah, some tragedy. Nipa dudu ama ashiri wa majuma. Anyasam kitwa. As at the time, Waman Penny announced lockdown, partial lockdown for that matter. Now Ghana I recorded 141 cases. As at 30th March, now I recorded 141 cases. Nani panum and I show wamunkwa. Kakran ya huchire yo omampani bi ene akwaya adwuma omampani bi ene akwaya adwuma omampani na ena adwuma egu school for adwuma asai hospitality industry for ya huchire bi lift lockdown no ena edidi mwa omampani based on science koronu asese amigina hey me pa bisam science koronu and the data koronu me pa mu nchiremu 19th April omampani say I left lockdown. Now as at 22nd April after the 3 weeks lockdown by 22nd April na Ghana recorded 1,154 cases. But that's who follow me. From 2nd March, from 12th March, Adiba, 22nd April. Na case count, you know, 10,000. Na 10,000. Nipa 9, and a ne 9. Nipa 120, and I recover. No man mono bibiania. Yadi amanyosam, yadi iba ye. Na both parties, I mean, would say political parties na yan fa amanyosam ntonchen na we de global pandemic enti obi anfa no honjim na yan hwe kwan befa aso ano. Lockdown ni mumpo. Amanyofo no ma no keke no mo de kan. And so lockdown ni mumpo, ya che aduane a ya che no party lines. What question Veronica Bucket, no? What the honorable Sumasi, as foreign member of parliament, for then. Not in Infonia from home. Not in Infonia from home. Look, yati COVID-19 alleviation program. Yati fund. Ya bofu to a man for uncle and we saw it because my bedroom hey, and you remember quite the shame in TV so coronavirus and matters arising. And a pampaso on a daily basis, press briefing a course would be donations ba 200,000 Ghana cedis, 500,000 Ghana cedis, company wey 100,000 Ghana cedis anapa mi bisa say sika ahodo no ni nyina wa he sika na wa he ana se sia yetete say contact tracers from June 1st June busumi ye mu no wa mon kwa adwuma because 150 Ghana cedis daily allowance I promise you woman no enko na sa wona obati na oswa ne niema na ka so kwafo do yankwa na yeduru dua kese no ase adunsi na esi ho no na hwea wo na muduru dua no ho na wanhwea na abafra no anya niema na ade aso no no anya gya na ojagu nwura nim ho no tutene sabi we are Ghanaians yanyimi amayofo di ho agrossa and it cuts across afidie no se yi aboa no a ni sunko ena se gyan no soso a ni sunko e gyan no soso a ni sunko ewusia kwanya ya faso a handle COVID-19 in Ghana ha memen kwa de niema bi tosin madwene mu no menkwa madwene mu de niema bi etosin science a ye gina so lifted lockdown data preko a ye gina so lifted lockdown any sika semwa ewo ho sika aba any ka yabo lockdown ni mabai me ka kire say every day inwane aye no ade ama womo a womo wo fie womo ni bidie de bia ye boka 2 million Ghana cedis I dey mo maduane a share hot meals every day 2 million Ghana cedis plain rice jollof rice banku dokono enyane no ani ya boka 2 million Ghana cedis every day ye be hia enchiremu na frontline workers are womo di wom ho asi ho se womo abua akonyade yi apomde anwuma fo womo di wom ho asi ho they should be our number one priority womo ne sanke agiro wom ho first aso fitiase no promises akese wom tirim yom de thank you excellency thank you Mr. President na wachi ba ko na wachi mienu ekwabuso me basam na makwa homa no so minwie ya kura na meni nyan oya adwuma no Gucci meni na twetwe nkomo bibi ntimi mmoni din abusa ate minka
mitunka
apon bako de
nyame adom boko
madwuma mo ye this critical time eso ani mamini kan bo mabaso
yedasi
esa se nyo bia no beti enya sa akukuduro no yade a esa ensan yade esei na moje samples na mo nsa mu na mo test here na mo tro ho report na mo count it ni ade ehu and we appreciate bema my adwuma papa na me shram
yes okay ya no das
but kasra yen me di kan pesa me hu sika aban no promise mo say mo am front line contact tracers ne mo am labs ahodo for instance 150 Ghana cedis daily allowance ye ka say monsaka
the big cry enyamba sika bia enyamba embai senka banka ye ndi hu komo denka sa hokura e bia ye hye bo se ende ochina ende up to date amino okasi te biamba na de tie ne se ebitase no aban ma ehu pe se sika we e na ode ma frontline workers e na wo boss no even yet think 200 but edu chiro no mo te so ba 150 the 150 impo nanka ebe ya transportation feeding nka we nya na ese de mai nanka yetimi e de wawai ho even aside that net once a week and ese nko mutwa nti mama na busumi kura na nka busumi no nanka mo di amaye busumi atwem emre twem yente hwe ese ju mu ne wi ye hu de ye ho.
As we speak there sika omampani de sha mo bono emu wan Ghana cedi kura ni hono ma yetuatua de ama mo adwumayefo no
me te sere me say as I'm concerned yente hwe nka yatia nka wonte de make yam pay yente hwe
bana bia na mo mbisa ho asem muntu ho na mo
oh de bia you bisa yet nothing in pinifo but de bia mo share bo mo tisheda na nse bi na krata bi piepie mu e na akoba na say o mo say juni e bi tua bat say ehwe and we bi su
na wa mo tusheda no wa mo sika na bi ni ho ana so so wo ho na emom ba na emma
oh say o mo be de shene bo shene de wahye ende wahye but kan ya tese aba abedi nkofo bi nsem eno ne asem no nse bureaucracies no do so Ghana
meba wo sika no mo te se abedi nkofo bi nsem
se eno de o mampanyi de o ntimi hye bokwa kan de aba na wa hwa ye o manye iwu mu ya o mo so mo tutututu ne yoma na ne yoma na o mo tutu no ne yehu so sana de na koye.
Okay, mami mbisa sikasem foforo amampani shebo say insurance package worth over 350 million eno so musabeka eno so musaka
eno die na koye se omwa ombenya problems bia na yare ni bia kanu na bia wafomu ahwe no kwa na say oyare eno na I think say those people are entitled to. As I stand, say me say sikano for just ordinary workers. I don't think.
But mom kaza say madwuma moye no say obi tie obi hwan sisi a na onhura dwuma na ni so a how difficult, how cumbersome is adwuma moye no Gucci bema
ejuma die ni kwanzi e ka kire wa wo ejuma ni die edin ye ko sinya na edin utimi ko share yi pipi mu bese no re bese sia 6 hours na untimi pie untimi yefe gise wo wi ansa ehum ye kura untimi hum edu bebi a gise wo manage sa na akoye gise wo manage ntu beba fie kura no obi ampese obeben oni oma o scraps gise wa na usi wade Nyasem ketwa.
Mitio kasema you feel disappointed as I mampania dada mo.
No die, me die se no baby a nada ni free de mi de. Na de tie ni se. Oh, ejuma ye no. Mampania she boss a obi enim so why front line na de. Uwutika. Oko hand dan kura na se wo buse bi e ka se bi a wo nyi sike bi na. Wo di sie. Na so yeti omamu yende obi enim de ekoso obi enim de ekoso men na badam bia na bi ni di nkomo o ti se me ye hu adwuma na wadane nkomo no na ojami ho just that stigmatization say bia my infected and I'm be infected no
the mere fact say we adwuma e lab no
oh yeah onukura health worker. But now, say me contact tracer and I say lab worker no, and one say oh you
well, it is like I say more journey. Are you planning on any action to take because I think contact tracers in the crowd here. Ebimo aboma dwunu mu pose. Wamo beja adwuma no since by 1st June. Wamo nya adwuma ni bio. Momo hono ate say no Gucci.
Yeah. Oh, penifo beji account numbers and other details. Enti omo ka kire say June bi. Enti June yi no. Ena ya say ultimatum last year. Nti ya twama June yaso June yakoni wi nyehu de be na plant ni ya fa bi da ya fa na omoni atena nti na akobo no sa no
Obani madwuma mi ye nti me be se me nya me ho ntiase yie pa na fe me de usi se sikasem no ye ma mo hwe kura ana magibi na akabie
kapre Ebiana other places, Ebiana ya more small allowance, the kitty be individual, but Tracy Bia, they were buying honey, they and Yamba. Thank I buy Obianca Sam. Nkamu frame nka mekachiramu. Mbai nka badia thanka nka ye the din mbai.
Mami no senior fence here. Mami no senior fence here.
Eso me da ase.
Achami anim asem kan ose wasumu a. What be? Marengo man so biam. Where your contact tracer? Or your contact tracer? Obani akwaba?
Yeah, John.
Me pese me bolding because of adwuma media nti.
Okay.
Me pese me bolding. Abrebe na mo share a contact tracing no ase.
It's here actively on the 2nd of April 2020.
2nd April na mo share ase. Promise abind the man 150 Ghana cedis daily allowance plus 350,000 cedis insurance package. Monsaka eba.
Your medical share here for the much contract is some more Ghana for the United States, more Central region. I need my power media aboa or mine a bit in there. No credit a buying share, but over my daily allowance. Now 350,000 a year. On almost a life insurance. And I just a beer, a show a beer, a kuma, and send it to me the first canal for family. I don't know the now near a hard join a 150 daily allowance. I see at the Bemayano. For the month of April, dear, no credit. I mean, any Ukraine buy 150 Ghana cedis daily. Now, month of May, no, the whole of the month cannot. But I don't know, we have been 12 years, Jumana, Copem, June, and then May Sikeba. Then Mr. Bassett, after I quite be Basa, I could do Metro Health Directory, Senator Jessica, as the Abama 70 cities daily for even only 15 days. Meanwhile, we've worked more than 15 days in the month. Oh, and then, yeah, I don't want baby brave. Almost the economy, John, I mean, 250 Ghana cedis each near the show for the whole month of May. Meba. Bosomini na no 250 Ghana cedis near the 250 Ghana cedis near the Maumo. It is a Bosumchia 300 cedis near the Maumo. Or buy the same Swami, almost 704 Ghana cedis each for the whole month's work. After we were supposed to receive nothing less than 3,000. Oh, I quite say, Gemma wants yes, air coso, Bibasa, Bisa, so Bianca of Momoye. It can't release a message on the 4th of June. I released the message. Oh, Bianca was she for more than a week until say just recently, Thursday, yes, I released another one and also say echo virus. Still now, I'm paying for a deal, Bianca so by cashing. And when I say, any bus of addressing agent near James Abia or Becca Dimpo. One more you didn't put next of Beach. One more you didn't cry nice with Juma, Juma sacrifice, Juma who stigmatizing a whole risk. Yes, sacrifice, everything. Now, more you didn't cry nice. That's a Ghana, I said, Uku, Homo, Mina, Uku, as a ubia any sort near Oyan, any so seriously.
But Mammy, so your Kaiso man penny, Emma, tax relief be. I don't know, are you feeling it?
Tax relief, go everything there, and my almost a better reflective in there, and reflective will be up reflective will be up to the 50% increment at the and the same health
yes
frontliners, meaning dear no abba, everything there. It's one dear. Crazy, no.
What's a woman who saw more, and I need radio, my son was some
contact traces, the fire one gender that I training on Becca, or Monka, she had one day and you.
Majaya Jumano, Menoka, Mutifi.
Oh, yeah, TV. Contact
I didn't say, Mamma was near Fancy Hawaii. Bema, Mumbonia Jumani, I'm betting I am my no. Niam betting me, I am my no. Mumbonia Juma. So, near Dronio. Near Droni. Wawasum. They say, contact tracers, no, I'm say, sir, pass over there from Pine by Shambandia, Dabida, and of course. No, my Anthony. Because we are sick as a boy, yeah. The sacrifices a woman making, putting their lives on the line. Now, we want to fight for as if I said, Jimmy. Ministry of Communication, LNC, COVID-19 tracker. COVID-19 tracker. Aya ho virtual concert ni ade nyina be pemane minim faso a every sa COVID-19 tracker ne so aba kabubro ekabubro enti Yensha bibi ye. Na mpanifo se wotu agyinamu afo no na wotu momone nsofo. Wotu agyinamu afo no na wotu momone nsofo. What your man penny wakana baako enyam baako enyam mienu enyam yensa. Se ne adro no your life, your destiny is in your own hands. Wow, Shabra Eshawunsem. Afema menim nuanom Ghana fo nkasa. Medical candidate. Say yaria no fo sa kwa enkoi. Eba ye shemra trotro drivers nipa dudu asesa mufa. Nipa dudu a esa mufa. Ye nya lifting lockdown and restrictions ni ye easy mu kakra no ano. Eno ano no. Eno nam kroma ya hwe. Wotie mi ye Twani hwebenku na hwe nimfa bia wa wotie mi mpo mask no nhye bi ana nipa foforo so saa sisia cases no ya keka ko 12,000 no ento de fadi agro ena wura offices akese bebre mu a kane na nka bucket wanim ho ana tank wanim ho liquid soaps ho sanitizer tissue ni ade ena ni nyina ajiagu abusia o shabre hwanga sangasa onsem COVID-19 no upo wompo eni abetena enti se ye hwa ban nanim na bibia mfra ban no ho ma menum mienu asese ye yankwa ehye ensem Obanyansafo ye bunibe yanka nasem COVID-19 no ewo ho senchiremu bi wo ho a asesa ban adeba science ni data ni ade no ye bese ye hunu mu ana me no mi enu soso ye hwe ye ana ye bi asore je say ye ni age ye kosom ana cases no e kosoro no Dwene ho ye meriwasi Yɛfa Sidama DBS roofing sheet. Franco Trading Enterprise. Omada Roma. Ɛna mede Fabɛwɔso. Mede Ebrewo. Mami twa me ho ma me ba. Yɛde mpɛnsɛmpɛnsɛ mu no.